A blessed day, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to continue our topic, Learn MySQL Commands, lesson number 3. So first, we're going to check the 7 commands that we're going to execute here. The first is insert into table name command to insert the record inside the table. Number 2 is the select command for specific column. This is to show the only specific field in the table. Number 3 is select command for specific entry in the table. This is to show only the specific entry in the table. Number 4 is select by order command. This is to sort the entries in ascending and descending order. Number 5 is update table name command. This is to edit and update selected record. Number 6 is the delete from table name command. This is to delete record entries in the table. Number 7 is delete command for column from the table. This is to delete the selected column from the table. Okay, so let us go to our command prompt. So let us execute our command going to SAMP. So cd SAMP /mysql/bin. Enter, then mysql-u root-p. Enter, so no password, enter, and we're in. So we're going to check first our database, the existing database that we did before. Show databases, press enter, and we're going to select our previous database that we made, which is the student DB here. So student DB, so use student DB, press enter, then show tables, and press enter. Then we have here student record that we made before in our lesson number 2. Okay, so let us describe this student record table. Okay, then press enter. Yeah, we have this table, and we have the ID, last name, first name, and middle initial. So specifically, we don't have records here. Now we're going to execute our first command, which is the insert. Okay, so we're going to use the command insert into the table name, which is student record, and we're going to use the field here, the last name. We're not going to use the ID because it is auto increment. So we're just going to use the last name, the first name, and the middle initial here. Okay, so let's continue. Last name and first name and middle initial. Those are our field name. Then press enter, and we're going to declare the values that we're going to add here. So like for example, the last name is Duterte, and his first name is Rodrigo, and middle initial is R. Okay, then close parenthesis, then semicolon, press enter, and the query is okay. So let us check. To check is we need to select asterisk from what table. Select asterisk from student record. Okay, so press enter and there you go. We able to add record inside our existing table. Okay, how about we're going to add another records aside from Duterte. Okay, so let us perform the same command insert. Okay, so we can use the arrow key to shorten our typing method. So I'm just going to use the arrow up to choose the previous command. Okay, so I'm going to use insert into our previous command. Okay, so insert into student record. Yes, I'm going to use my previous command and press enter, and I'm going to input values again, values, then uh, the values, and like for example Aquino, I'm going to add Aquino, then Ninoy, the first name, and the Kuwangko, C, for its middle initial, for his middle initial, and comma, because we're going to add another one, then open parenthesis, and like for example, we add Estrada, then name Joseph. Okay, then middle initial Ejercito. Okay, E, just E. And if you want to add more, just follow the method, the format, and we're going to close and end our command by the semicolon uh, character. Okay, so we're going to press enter, and we able to add two records here. Again, we're going to use the select asterisk from what table? Student record table. Okay, so asterisk means all. Okay, we're going to select all records from student table, then press enter, and there you go. So able to add multiple records in one command. Okay, in our previous command that we did. Okay, the next command is uh, select. How about we're going to select this particular column only? Okay, so all of this last name. Okay, so let us try that. Let us select last name, last name from what table? Student record. Okay, press enter and let us check. There you go. So we able to just select the specific column, the last name. So let us try another field. Okay, uh, use arrow up key to just use the previous command, and I'm just going to edit this. I'm going to select the first name here from student record, then we may press enter and it will display only the first name record. Okay, how about we need to display the specific entry. Okay, we're just going to display all, select asterisk from student record just to display again the complete record. Okay, so what we're going to do right now is uh, we're going to just display Duterte, Rodrigo Duterte here. Okay, how are we going to do that? By the query command. Okay, again, use the select asterisk from student record table, and we add where. We add where. So just to go specific to that command, we add where. Like for example, where ID is equal to number 1. Then semicolon, press enter, and it will display to you the ID number 1, which is Duterte Rodrigo R. Okay, sir, how about I would like to display the use the last name only, not the ID. Okay, so let us try that. Again, select asterisk from student record. Then we type again where. This time we choose last name. So we're going to use last name is equal to, then a single quote, Duterte. No, we use Estrada, like for example, Estrada. Okay, and close quote and semicolon. Press enter, and it will display you the record number 3, which is Estrada Joseph E. Okay, so next we're going to move to our next command, which is how about we're going to uh, display in ascending order. Okay, I'm just going to display it all the records by select asterisk from student record. Yes, okay, so we have all the records here, and we're going to display in ascending order. Okay, we have to again use the select command, asterisk for all, and from what table? Student record table, and order by. We're going to use order by. Order by uh, last name, like for example, last name, and is equal last name, yeah, in what? As ascending order, ASC, ascending order, and press enter, and there you go. So here we able to display in ascending order Aquino, Duterte, and Estrada. Okay, how about we're going to display in descending order? Okay, just we're going to use the arrow up to select our previous command. This is our previous command, and we're just going to change this ascending to descending order, and press enter. And as you can see, now we able to use the descending order from E, Estrada, Duterte, and Aquino. Okay, so we're done with the select command. We're going to move to our next command, which is update. How about we're going to update uh, this record, Ninoy? We're going to change this into Benigno. Okay, so we're just going to use the command update table name, which is student record, and press enter, and type set what? First name, and is equal to first name is equal to Ninoy. We're going to change Ninoy into Benigno, and we're done. And we're going to press enter, and we're going to add filter. So where uh, ID where ID of Aquino Ninoy is 2 is equal to 2, right? Then semicolon. So we're good at this query. So press enter and rows matched. Okay, then we're able to execute our query command. So let us check. How to check? Select asterisk all from what? Student record table. Student record table. Okay, then press enter. And as you can see here, we able to change Benigno from our previous command, Ninoy. This is our previous name, Ninoy, and now is Benigno. Okay, so that is how to update your record. Okay, how about we go to the next command, which is we're going to delete record. Okay, so for example, we're going to delete the record of Mr. President Joseph Estrada here, and the command is delete. Delete what? Delete from table, student record table, and we're going to type where to go specific uh, in our table. Like for example, ID, where ID is equal to what? Number 3 here. So we're going to delete ID number 3, which is Estrada Joseph E. Okay, so let us check if okay. So the query is okay. So we are sure that we're able to delete that. Then we're going to check obviously here. Select asterisk from student record and let us check. Okay, so we able to delete. Okay, so how about we delete by last name? Okay, not by ID. Can we do that? Okay, so let us access the previous command by using arrow up. Delete, right? Delete. Then I'm going to edit this. Where? Now, this time is last name. We're going to delete by last name is equal to what? Duterte, for example. Duterte. Okay. Then, let us try that. Press enter and let us check again. Select asterisk from student record. And to make sure, there you go, we don't have the record of Duterte Rodrigo R. Now, okay, so that's how to use the delete command. So what if we're going to delete the middle initial, this this middle initial field or column? Can we do that? Okay, so let us try to uh, use alter table, student record, alter table student record, then press enter, then drop what? Middle initial. So we can drop that column, middle initial, and semicolon, and press enter, and the query is accepted. And let us just check. Select asterisk from student record, semicolon, and there you go. You're able to delete the middle initial part here. Okay, and right now we don't have that in our dated table. Okay, so going back here, and that's the end of our lesson number 3. I hope you learn additional commands in MySQL in our lesson number 3. Okay? So thank you so much and see you in our next lesson. Okay? God bless and bye-bye.